So tasties, you ever tell me say plane a fly in the sky, man a skydive, man a go out of space, we have electric car, we have computer, and you ever tell me say technology can't advance enough for you just make the cheese easier to get to, virgin?
Alright, my brother, now say a word, man. Me have the right person to do that for you. Yo, Peanut Jed.
What you want?
Why do something for me now? Cause you're right, man, you know. Why you talk to TSA's my regent? Because the man them say my frowns, brethren, see the man a frowns about the thing, man. Man say want the thing and have a fight, him have a fight, and a long time I do them foolishness, brethren. Why you chat to them for me now?
No, a ballad, no you. Fi go talk to them.
Them not gonna listen me. They will listen to you now, cause your name Peanut Jed, you know.
Rasta them not listen dirty rasta. You idiot, you know.
So, am me a call idiot? Eh?
You no go, you know. Cause my face, you know, naughty. Yes, man. And it's good for me because I couldn't survive. Hey, I can't know. When she might do me, not get none, you know. Don't fuck.
Why the cheese have to so hard to get to? We have to beat out the side them and we can't get to the cheese all now. This about the 50 millionth Easter. And I know we can't get to the cheese, virgin. Me feel like Jesus would have the same problem here. Everybody from 1980 how much have the same problem here. From tastees established who have the same cheese thing here. Fix it, man. Me have to beat out the side, yo. By the time we get to the cheese, me nobody want it. Me done name all 4 or 5 pieces of butter already, my belly full. A problem to get to the cheese, yo, they can't make this easier. Me tired for beat out the side of this.
Yo, people, everybody know that cheese, yeah. Tastee cheese, one of the hardest set of cheese them to pull. Trust me, hard for pulling about people. Look here.
Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so? Eh? Tell me. Talk.
When you see this happening, you serious up this kind of people. Man, I no time, you know. If you waste of time, if you lick up, you just bust a cut in it, you know. And just take out it and the tin and just... Jaja God.
Lord Jesus!
It's a frustration. Me never seen that weather before. That's money you're fed up your fuck. Watch out, man. What is this? No, people, look here. Where the fuck they use and cut this? No.
I know this man coming up next, you know. You see in life, you have some people love to see some people suffer, you know. Because they can get benefit off it and live off it. Watch this.
So Tastee make a new easy to open tin. Me see it. Me not like it. Me like you wanna make me fight for rich. She is nice other way then. And moreover, the woman never feel too independent. Me like when time them call me and say, baby, can you open the cheese tin for me? Me feel manly. Fuck on other man. Man, dash that man. Dash that. We don't want a Ziploc cheese pan. Me want the one that my woman will call me and say, babes, come open the cheese pan for me now, please. Yeah, me fit. Cut that out, man. When we do want, we don't want to give it. We don't want to know.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Yo, this man here, and the boss himself, you know, the man say him not like that because the woman might get independent. Man, that's what we are talking about still.
Tastee, come to the front now, please. I want me to say Tastee, mean Tastee cheese in specific. Now, who know me knows I love Tastee product. But me can't keep a different over and over again, man. Tastee, me know so I ask, you know, say, for make the cheese kind of easier, we not have to cut it out of the tin. And yet, when you give me that, we can lift it up now and pluck up the thing and it come out. But Tastee, it's still hard to come out of the tin itself. Because when me take my cheese out of the thing, shake it out, and it turn acky. No, watch out. No, honestly, the only thing left for me to do is oil it and freeze it and send it over sauce. That's all we need to do. Is for just, I don't know, export it. Because I don't know what I'm going to do with this cheese now. Paste it in my bun, like a butter, me not get it none at all. Taste it when I need to do something. If I even for grease the pan, or something fit slide out. I don't know. Change the metal, adjust don't know what to tell them to do at this time. But the cheese need to come in a different container. Please and thank you so very much, Tasty. Because this not fair. This
HTB think him a get where? Yeah man, you think I cheese alone a get cussing? You get cussing too now, watch this.
Look here. National. Look here. You can't stop. Slice up the bun pan the box to me, please. Stop slice up the bun pan the box to me, cause when we pull it, it don't slice. Look here. If you want to make slice bun, slice it up. Slice it up for me now. And stop put pan the box say slice up because it don't slice up. And you miss Tasties, she. Look here. At time now you remove this. It need to come, it need to make like sachets thin. Look here, I'm tired of this now. I don't even know how it a go pull. How this a go pull. I have to go use knife and something now to go pull this. Look here, you put cover on it and you seal it there. So how much time you gonna seal the rotted something? Eh? How much time you gonna seal it? Watch it, watch it. Look here now, 2024 now, we're tired of it. How you sealing it so? Eh? How? Chop. Mackerel come.
Tasty cheese, when you do it a blood clot again. One more year at Tagan War, eh? Me tell me say over 100 years in the fucking company, I tell me say, you not figure out a way to come out of that cheese thing, eh? One more year with cutlass and chopping up and busting up finger.
Said choice, sweet more beer, so.
But we know to solve the problem, you know. We know to solve the blood cleat problem, yeah? One blood cleat chiffon butter. Yeah? But don't you do no now, man. From so long, eh? We don't know if we come out of that thing, let it go to. Eh? I need a blood cleat here again.
So Tasties, you ever tell me say plane a flying in the sky? Man a skydive, man a go out of space. We have electric car, we have computer. And you ever tell me say technology can't advance enough for you just make the cheese easier to get to virgin? Have the same problem here from Tasties established who have the same cheese thing here. Fix it, man. Now if you beat out the side, yo. By the time we get to the cheese, me nobody want it. We done name all 4 or 5.
Brother, it's after a fucking idiot. After one tastes because the fucking cars. When you make the thing easier to open, yet blood clot still the cheese still pussycat can blood clot flash out. What the fuck? Me still have to take the fucking cheese out of the thing.
I may say Mama really upset, you know. Mama Bex, you know. You can't hear her voice, you know. She flashed out like a mackerel. Mama na mackerel, you know.
Can someone explain this to me, please?
Products of Jamaica, you see that, right? Are we actually reading these labels? Because the next one, which is a sliced cheese, is from New Zealand. How that work? So I have tasty cheese from Jamaica and from New Zealand. I'm confused. Somebody kind of explain this to me, please.
Yes, my people. So I'm going to put some things, some comment that I get in the comment section of these videos, so you can feel free to pause and watch. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, peace out.
Love Capital TV.
You serious?